Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Tech Guru, Python with Selenium. So in this video we will see the variables and data types in Python. So let's start. So topic will be covered in today's video is variables and data types in Python. Before going to this video, I would like to introduce the registration for two different batches for Selenium with C#.NET and BDD framework using SpecFlow. This will be a 22 hours training program, and big day and weekend batches are available. So you can register by emailing tejpalchannel@gmail.com. So variables and data types in Python. Python is a versatile and popular programming language known for its simplicity and readability. One of the fundamental aspects of Python programming involves understanding variables and data types. So what is a variable? Variable has no additional commands to declare a variable. As soon as the value is assigned to it, the variable is declared. So variable or contains for a container for storing data values. In Python, you can create a variable and assign a value to it using the assignment operator equals. Variable name can contain letters, numbers and underscores, but they cannot start with number. So Python, there are certain rules in Python that we have to keep in mind while declaring the variable. The variable name cannot start with numbers, it can only start with the character or underscore. Variables in Python are case sensitive, so if you write in different cases, it will be different. They can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. No space characters are allowed. So if you see assigning a value to variable, so if your variable is age, then you can assign as 25. So in this way you can assign the variable the value. Data types. The Python has several built-in data types that are used to define the natures of variables. First is numeric data type or numeric type. Numerical type data type holds numerical values. In numerical data there are 4 subtypes as well. Following are the subtypes of the numeric data type. Integer. So as you know, integers are used to represent whole number values, that is integers. You can put 1 to 100, whatever number you want to add. It is int. The data the keyword is int. Float data type is used to represent decimal point values, that is float, float. It is in small letter, that will be the keyword, and floating point numbers maybe it can be have and the multiple decimal points. Complex numbers. Complex numbers are used to represent imaginary values. Imaginary values are denoted with j at the end of the number. So you can use the complex number like 10 plus 5j. So this will be a complex number. Boolean. Boolean is used for the categorical output, since the output of Boolean is either true or false. So you can use the bool, that will be a keyword, and Boolean value is true or false. Sequence types. In the sequence types, first is the string. Strings in Python are used to represent Unicode character values. Python does not have a character data type. A single character is also considered as a string. We donate or declare the string values inside single quotes or double quotes. To access the value in a string, we use the indexes and square brackets. So you can use the str string, that will be a textual data enclosed in a single or double quotes. You can use that. String are immutable in nature, which means you cannot change a string. List is one of the 4 collection data type that we have in our Python. We are choosing a collection type, it is important to understand the functionality and limitations of the collections. Tuple, set, dictionary are the other collection data type of Python. A list is ordered and changeable, unlike strings. We cannot add duplicate values as well. To declare a list, we use the square bracket. So you can use the mylist equal to, you can have the square bracket and you can put any number and comma list. So list will be the variable. Accessing value from a list, we use indexes to access value from the string. My list 2 is 6, 2 is to 6 in the bracket. You can this will get the value from the index 2 until index 6. So you can get the 4 values, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 5 values. Adding or replacing value in a list. So my list 6 Python, if you put my list 6 equal to Python in a single quote, this will replace the value at the index of 6. So whatever in value in 6 index, it will be replaced by the Python. Mylist.append, you can use the data analysis. This will add the value at the end of the list. So if you want to append anything beyond the list, you can add them at the end. It will add the data or the value in the end. If you want to insert anything and particular index, so you can use the mylist.insert 5 comma data science. So this will add the value at the index 5. It will not replace it, just add in. So some of the methods or properties which can be used in the data types. So in the list, particularly in the list, so clear, it remove all the element from the list. Then copy, it returns the copy of the list. Extend, add the element of the list to the end of the current list. Count, returns the number of element of the specified value. Index, return the index of the element. Pop, remove the element from the specific position. Remove, it removes the item with the specified value. Sort the list, and reverse, it returns the reverse list. So these are the some methods which can be utilized in the list. So list can store any data type as items, with numbers, strings, or any other data type as well. Variable, data type in data type next is tuple. So tuple is a collection which is unchangeable or immutable. It is ordered and the value can be accessed using the index values. A tuple can be duplicate value as well. To declare a tuple, we use the round bracket, like tuple ordered immutable collection of item, that is 1 2 3. You can use the round bracket and 1 comma 2 comma 3, or you can use the apple comma banana comma cherry. So these are the example how we can write the tuple. Since a tuple is unchangeable, once you have declared it, there are not many operations you can perform on a tuple. But there is a right side of using a tuple. You can store value in a tuple which you do not want to change while working in a projects. So although you will be able to access the value, but there will not be any change to be made. Now next is mapping type. So in the data type you have a mapping type, and that will be a dictionary. So a dictionary is just like any other collection array in Python, but they have key value pairs. A dictionary is unordered and changeable. We use that key to access the item from the dictionary. To declare a dictionary, we use the curly brackets. So dictionary collection of key value pair, you can use easy name in the curly bracket, in the single quotes name, then colon, then you can have the single bracket, a single quotes, alias age, then next one will be age and colon 25. So name, alias, age, 25. So this will be a key pair collection. Since we are using the key to access the items, they cannot be duplicated. The value can have the duplicate items. So other operations in a dictionary include the following: copy, method names and properties. So copy, return a copy of the dictionary. Clear, it clears the dictionary. Items, returns the list containing tuple of the key value pairs. Keys, return the list containing all the keys. Update, updates the dictionary with all the key value pairs. Values, return a list of all values in a dictionary. Set default, you can set the default value of the specific key. It will return the value of a specific key. Set types, a set is a collection which is unordered. It does not have any indexes as well. To declare a set in Python, we use the curly brackets. Set, unordered mutable collection of unique item, like you can have in a curly bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3, then again the same thing, apple, orange, banana, you can have in the same curly bracket. A set does not have any duplicate values, even though it will not show any errors while declaring the set. The output will only have the distinct values. So this also having some methods and the property. So the method is clear. The clears the item from the set. Copy, it returns the copy of the set. Difference, it returns the set with the difference of the two values, two sets. Is disjoint, it returns the set that have intersection. Is subset, it returns the set of set is a subset. Symmetric difference, it returns the set with the symmetric difference. Update, you can update the set with union of the sets. So another thing is dynamic typing in Python. So in the data type and variables, you can have the dynamic typing. So Python is a dynamic typed, meaning you don't have to explicitly specify the data type of variable. The interpreter automatically determine the data type based on the value assigned to it. So suppose if you put a equal to 10, so a is an integer, or a equal to hello, it is a hash string. So type function, you can use the type function. You can use a type function to check the data type of a variable or value. Using type function, you can use age equal to 25, name equal to alias, or you can print type age, then you will get the type output is class integer. And then print, if you want to print type name, its name is alias, so output will be class string. So understanding variable and data type is essential in Python programming, as it forms the basis for manipulating and working with different kinds of information in your code. Again, I'm just reiterating that I'm starting the training program. You can register with two different batches. That will be the 22 hours training program, and the weekend and weekday batches. So you can register using sending a mail at tejpalchannel@gmail.com. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.